Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to design the famous Tidal logo in the Infinite Design app. Let's get started. First we need to create a square with the rectangle tool. Then use the duplicate tool to create two copies and roughly arrange them to touch one another at the edges. Now select all the three squares with the Move tool and space them evenly on the horizontal axis. Next, select all the three squares again and align them to the horizontal center. Now group the three squares and create a copy of the layer for backup purposes. Create another copy of the layer and use the Move tool to rotate it perpendicularly. Delete the bottom two squares, leaving just the top. Create another copy of the three squares layer. Change the color of the squares to blue. Rotate them perpendicularly and move them aside. Merge the layer having just one square with the layer having three. Change the color of the middle horizontal square to red because we'd be deleting it later. Now group all the 4 squares and merge them with the blue squares layer. Select the blue squares, blacks, and red square, then align them to the left and bottom. Next up, ungroup all squares and delete all unwanted squares. Make the remaining squares black and group them together. Rotate the grouped squares by 45 degrees. There we have our Tidal logo. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing for future uploads. Thank you for watching. Cortana is out. Peace.
I owe you one, Cortana.